The perfect cadence, chord 5 to chord 1. We're going to look today at how we can use perfect cadence in our harmony examples. First of all, how to spot a cadence point. Using your correctly completed chord box, we examine the notes in a given bar. In this bar, and we're going to assume that the chord boxes aren't filled in already, we've got the notes G, B, D, G going into a note C. In this bar, the notes G, B, D and G, we must find which chord box these notes best suit. So looking along here, we can see this one, the chord of G or chord 5. So we put in a chord of G or chord 5 in our chord box, depending on whether you're using chord symbols or Roman numerals. You can't use both. In this bar, we've got note C as a long note, a point of rest or finality. It's the root of chord 1. Chord of C goes in this chord box or chord 1, again depending on if you're using chord symbols or Roman numerals. In the second and third example here, we've got more notes from chord 5 to chord 1 in a different order. In this one, D, B, G, B, still the notes of chord 5, still a chord of G, and still a perfect cadence, 5 to 1 or G to C. And in this example, B, D, G, D going to chord 1, still the notes of chord 5, still chord G going to chord C, still chord 5 to chord 1, still a perfect cadence.